What advice or encouragement would you give to those listening who are either they're on their own creative writing journeys, or it's a dream they've harbored for a long time to write and publish a book?
One thing, writing is a skill, and the more you write, the more you write. The more you write better, the more you write better. Don't overthink it. You know, if you're wanting to be a writer, the time to start writing is today. You'll find that the page begins to speak to you. So
how do you manage that with your other responsibilities and your family and your health?
When I wrote A Liberated Mind, it was a heavy lift because I said, okay, 40 years of work, I'm going to write my life story plus my life's work plus the self-help features that people can use it and a bit of the story of the science community. And I'm going to do it just myself.
I hope you enjoy and benefit from this conversation with my new friend, Stephen C. Hayes.